Glenmuir High is represented this evening by Lisanne McKenzie, Jordan Brown, Kyle Bennett, and team captain Raven Hutchinson. While Maggoty High is represented by team captain Deandra Isaacs, Beyonce Ricketts, Tajani Brown, and Kamal Gray. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 11th match here in round one, the first in this evening's doubleheader of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I am Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Glenmuir High won and decided to go first. So Glenmuir High, we'll begin with you. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. The first question comes from general knowledge. Glenmuir High, which country has the most time zones, including its overseas territories?
France.
Correct. General knowledge from Maggoty. What is the most common time zone in North America?
North America. So Western Standard Time.
Western Standard Time.
No, Eastern Standard Time. Regional affairs of visual for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Layton Johnson.
No, that's Dr. Wayne Wesley, the CXC registrar. Maggoty, your regional affairs clue. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Wayne Acosta.
No, that's Dr. Didicus Jules, OECS Director General. Geography for Glenmuir. What is the name of the largest moon in our solar system?
Ganymede.
Correct. Geography Maggoty. Of which planet is Titan a moon?
Jupiter.
No, Saturn. Music and audio one for Glenmuir. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Private dancer.
Private dancer.
No, The Most Beautiful Girl in the World. Music from Maggoty. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
A dark and cold world.
A dark and cold world.
No, When Doves Cry. Both songs by Prince. Chemistry for Glenmuir. Which law states that the rate at which a body loses its heat to its surroundings is proportional to the excessive mean temperature of the body over that of the surroundings?
Gay-Lussac's law.
Gay-Lussac's law.
No, Newton's law of cooling. Chemistry Maggoty. Which law states that objects attract each other with a force directly proportional to the product of the masses of the objects and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them?
Square and distance.
Kinetic energy.
Newton's law. Newton's law.
Newton's law.
No, law of gravitation. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Natalie Portman.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Maggoty. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Hold up. So, Kevin Ross.
Kevin Ross.
No, Penelope Cruz. Mathematics for Glenmuir. What are the prime numbers between 150 and 170?
151, 153, 167.
No, 151, 57, 163, and 167. Mathematics for Maggoty. What are the prime numbers between 170 and 190?
190.
So, 173.
173, 179, 183, 189.
No, just 173, 179, and 181. Sport, a visual one for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Argentine footballer.
Cristiano Romero.
No, Nicolas Tagliafico from Argentina. Sport from Maggoty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Yeah,
Enzo Fernandez.
Enzo Fernandez.
Enzo Fernandez.
No, Ezequiel Palacios, also an Argentina footballer. History for Glenmuir. In what year did the British Nationality Act of 1948 come into force?
1949.
1949.
Good. History for Maggoty. In what year did the British Nationality Act of 1981 come into force?
Before
1982.
1981.
1982.
92.
No, 1983. Physics for Glenmuir, and we won't have time because that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening's first match. Scores look to be Glenmuir High on 4 points, Maggoty High not yet on the board with 0. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge quiz returned right after this.